Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're not getting WhatsApp verification code on your Android phone when you're trying to log in and you're looking out for fixes, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. So we can start by checking our connection. We can head over to our settings for that. And once you're under settings, you can go to the option of connections and tap on it. And under connections, you can look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you connected. Because a strong internet connection is crucial, you can move to the location with better signal if there is not a signal. If there is not a signal, you can just go over to that location if the signal is needed and avoid using VPN during verification. Also, restart your phone, hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on it. When you confirm it up, that can refresh your network connection and resolve the temporary glitches. Also update your app, go to Play Store for that and make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed from the Google Play Store. Go to the search and search for WhatsApp. And once you find WhatsApp, you can look out for the update option and tap on update in order to update the WhatsApp to the latest version in your device. Also clear the WhatsApp cache. For that, you just need to hold the WhatsApp application and go over to the info tab at the top. After that, you can go open up the app info of the page. From here, just scroll down and go to the option of storage and tap on it. And then just go over and tap on the clear cache option and you can clear up the WhatsApp cache from there. Also, you can go to the phone's permissions and check if WhatsApp has permission to access your SMS and phone. Hold the WhatsApp for that and go to the info tab. And from there, you just need to go to the permission option and tap on it. And ensure that you have given permission for contacts, allow. Also for your phone, tap on it and tap on allow. Also for SMS, tap on SMS and tap on allow to give access for this application whenever you're trying to log in so that you can get the code, etc. when you're trying to get the verification code. And that is it. If that does not work, you can reinstall the WhatsApp, hold the WhatsApp for that and tap on uninstall. After that, restart your phone and then reinstall the WhatsApp application and try the verification process again. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You may follow out this method if you want to go ahead and fix the verification issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.